Yeah, come on, yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, oh,
Grab lot of hill, whole lot of drill, lot of hill. Ain't Milan, that's another one on God.
Come on.
All this better in my system got me tweaked. You not on offense, pussy, we know you on defense. What's the bust, I'm cashing out anemia. She won't fuck this weekend. Pussy good, she got that little bit leaking. She swallowing semen. It's good, YouTube. Another day, another dollar. You feel me? You feel me? Yes, sir. Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Von, aka VonHylton, coming y'all back with another brand new video. As I can see by the title of the thumbnail, we're gonna go to the tire shop, probably get some rollers and some other things of that nature going on. But I'm about to link with Fast Life Prince, you feel me? He's about to get some new tires. That's my son's son for real. He always want to copy me. I got new tires, now he want to get new tires. But he said before he puts on the new tires, right now we're going to the tire shop to see if they have his tire size. So if they do, he's gonna come back, like reserve them or whatever, but he's gonna burn out his current tires. I was like, you gotta let me spin it a couple times, cause I'm really like that, but we gonna see. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload. I'm gonna pick up the camera when we link up at the tire shop or at the place we're gonna be spinning. So we at the spot, and this is the first time in forever this man actually pulled up on time. That's crazy. I don't even know where it's at for real. I'm gonna just park on the side on my ass. Hold on. Let me see. You know where it's at?
Right here.
Oh, you been here before?
No. I'm gonna park up like right there. I'm gonna just ask them if they got the tire. If they got it, I'm gonna go burn these out and come back.
Alright. I'm gonna park up behind you. But yeah, this is the first time you actually on time, but we finna see what they talking about. Bright ass car. Park up. Don't hit me. Oh, thought he was finna hit me. But we about to go see what's up. So we made it to the tire shop. This guy is about to put 275s on his car.
Yep, you know the deal.
275.
You about to get ran over by a tire.
He about to get big boy tires. You about to be a race car?
Real fast guy, 275s on the back.
275. You see what's going on. You see. Oh, I didn't tell y'all. So, you know how I got 4 tires? So basically, one of the Michelins on the back, this shit's starting to get ugly. That's gonna piss me off. But the Michelins, one of the Michelins in the back, I ran over a nail and caught a flat. So, I was stuck on the road. So I had to like drive to the nearest tire shop. So it couldn't be like patchable or whatever. So I had to get 2 new rear tires, and I went back up in size. I went back to 255, but this time I got a 35 sidewall, so it fits, and then it's straight. Damn, this shit, I gotta get all these wheels touched up. But 255s in the back and 245s in the front. And I got an extra Michelin tire I gotta take out. So if y'all want a free Michelin tire, then let me know. Now I'm playing with you. I might sell it to you niggas or something. I don't know. But that's what happened with that. So I had to get 2 rear tires again. Just a money pit, bro. Like, man. But yeah, that was the situation with that. Jordan is about to get all 4 tires on his car. About to get 245s all the way around. Well, he said he got all 4?
He's gonna check if he has all 4. He know he has 2 for sure.
What's on those over there? Them 265s.
Yeah, that's what I'm putting on. Yeah, real fast guy. Yeah. Hey, just so you know, I got full down pipes. Yeah.
What?
Cut that out.
Oh,
I'm gonna leave it in and cut out the part.
Big boy tires.
The total and plus seeing the model.
These all 4 right here? Everybody got the big meats, Larry Hoovers. God. But so now I think I hit all 4 tires. 1, 2, 3, 4 type shit. These are right here. So he planning on burning out his old tires. Let's see what's gonna happen.
We're gonna go, bro. I might just do it right on the street. I don't know.
Why don't you go to what's the name?
I'm kind of like Robert.
You're not afraid?
Just a little burnout.
Oh, nothing too crazy? So what, you gonna do a donut or what you gonna do? Little something.
I'll be right back.
Be right back. Listen to this guy.
What is wrong with
He's an expert. Look, he's an expert. Hey, all of us.
He does you too.
I was gonna say I was gonna leave my car here since we coming right back. I should leave my car here, ain't it? Or nah, I ain't gonna lie. That last nigga made him. He made that nigga hit the shit. Nah.
Let me show you guys my tires real quick before I eat.
How bad are they?
I mean, it's not compared to how Robert's tires were. It's not that bad.
You ain't showing that much wire.
Showing wire though.
This one's a little bald over here. How's the front tires?
The front tires.
See the front tires. Oh.
They're done, right?
Yeah, you got camera. I can't even see. But yeah, you got.
Said what?
You got camera wear. Camera wear.
You guys see what's going on? This keeps getting dirty. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, you might need new ones.
It was only like $30.
For real?
Yeah.
All right. Probably.
It's not even real carbon fiber. Roll up.
Oh, that's probably why.
Yeah.
Bernie's out where? I don't know, but I'm just trying to. What you finna do though?
I was gonna go to Cross.
And do a burn like a 360? Like that's what I'm saying. Or you just going?
They put speed bumps right where the thing is.
They did? I haven't been over there in a minute, but he might just do like a little something.
Something right here.
Alright, so we ain't gonna go. I'm just gonna record you doing it type shit.
I'm gonna just make a U-turn.
Alright, fuck it. Getting them new tires on. You gonna do a pull as soon as you get them on?
Maybe.
See, this is why you need.
I feel good.
Yeah. Damn, that's loud. I definitely did a pull this morning. In the weather, it was like 65. We getting the tires on right now. So he decided to go stagger like how mine is. 255 in the back and 245 in the front. And then, gonna give him that aggressive look. So they definitely gonna call you out, calling you fast guy.
Hey, I don't need to call that.
Fast guy Prince, huh? So he got the big boys on there, 255s in the back. So he's kind of afraid right now that his tires are gonna rub, because this tire right here is mad thick. He got 2 Michelins in the back, but we're gonna see right now, probably do a road test before like he does everything, but let's see this right here. Let it go down. It's not? Let's see the gap. So he's still at a finger gap. He got plenty of clearance, you feel me? This side is better. See, I told you this one has like a like that. This one still got gap too. Yeah, so you good. You got them stickies in the back. So you ready to race?
Don't even put that in there.
Nah, they look good. It looks good. Let me see how it looks.
I was worried about it like not being like good looking.
Oh nah, this look good. Definitely gives it more like an aggressive look.
Yeah, now it look even more good.
I don't know what it is, but on the left side, that's definitely stick out more than the right side. But definitely did a pull before he took off. New tires, definitely grippy. Let me see what he gonna do at this light, cause he was just acting up, wilding out. I know he either gonna take off or do something of that nature. I don't know, but you never know with this guy. Let me see. Tires on, about to head to the wash, clean the cars up. I also got my decals. After I wash my car and everything, I'm gonna put my decals on. Probably gonna remove one of my stickers and then have that on. But I'm gonna finally have my decals on so y'all can follow me and tag me on Instagram when y'all see me on the road at VonHylton. You feel me? Oh, he about to take off. Oh, they're about to end it too.